Staff security force po kami. May natanggap po kaming tawag na may bomba. Huwag po tayong magpanik. Dalhin po natin ang ating mga gamit. Dito po ang daan ng mga lalaki. Dito po ang daan ng mga babae.
Oh. Procedure. Procedure. Saan yung procedure? Oh.
Staff security force po kami.
Meron po kami na-receive.
May natanggap po kami tawag na may bomba. Huwag po tayong magpanik. May dala po kaming gamot. At umayon po tayo sa 100 meter.
Okay. Oh.
Ready na, sir?
Man? Oh.
Are you ready, man?
Oh, search.
Search!
Upo, upo. Sa ilalim na upuan. Sige, tingnan nyo. Sa ilalim na upuan. Tingnan nyo. Kailangan makarinig ako ng 4 na negative bago kayo lumipat. Dito muna. Mamaya dyan. Oh. Anong hinahanap niyong bomba?
Cellphone, sir. May cellphone.
May cellphone? Ano pa? May wire? O, ano pa? Bala ng shotgun. Okay. Bakit daw niya nilagay yung bomba?
Revenge, sir.
Revenge. Bakit siya nag-revenge?
Natanggal daw sa trabaho ng kapatid.
Natanggal sa trabaho ng kapatid o pisan? Okay.
Dito lang ba yun, sir?
Oh, dito lang. Oh.
Okay.
1 minute and 55 seconds. Dito pa sa kabila. Oh.
Dito sa mga, sir.
Oh, yan. Hanapin nyo dyan. Oh, hanapin nyo dyan. Oh, upuin muna kayo. Upo. Madilim. Madilim. Oh, tandaan yung mga gamit dyan. Baka may mabasag dyan. Two minutes and 49 seconds. Oh, ba't tayo na kayo? Upo lang. Ha? Sa ilalim ng mga upuan. Oh. Tandaan nyo, kapag kayo mga security guard, kapag kayo naghahanap, kailangan ay walang mga evacuator na sa iyong pag-asa. Ha? Anong bomba hinahanap ninyo? Anong components? May cellphone. Oh. Hmm. 5 minutes. Oh, lagot yan. Kaya lang, ingatan nyo, baka may mabasag dyan. Ah. Madilim kasi dyan eh. 6 minutes. You have 9 minutes to go. Search.
Ano pa sabi sa inyo? Alam po siya.
Sa mga sigit-sigil-gilid. Ayan. Wala, dito lang. Analyze yung mabuti yung yung situation. Oh.
Ano ba ang subject nyo? Ano ba? Ano may nakita na ako dyan eh, Bumba eh.
7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Analyze yung natanggap niyong impormasyon. Analyze yung natanggap niyong impormasyon. 8 minutes.
Tatalan niyang cellphone.
8 minutes.
Samsung ay na.
8 minutes. Nine minutes. You have 6 minutes to go. Mamaya ginagawa mo, mag-flashlight, no? Mag-ilaw. Kasi madilim. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Magpipita na ako.
10 minutes.
O yung bag na pula, yung bomba dyan.
Last 10 minutes. Hmm. Hmm. Last 10 minutes. Hmm. 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 Lahat i-search. Ha? Lahat subjected to search. Hmm. 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Hmm. 11 minutes. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Ay, makulang.
12 minutes. 12 minutes. Ito, team 2. Okay, basa. Hmm.
On or about June 29, Ma'am Fred, on our about June 29, 2012, at one of the members of the ASCAM security force located at the number 22 Mabini Station, Poblacion South, Science City, of the New Serbia. We are tasked with performing your security professional session at Alpha Company. The officer in charge of the post is SG 1 in Santa Cruz. Your place of duty is at the second floor of the Alpha Company with business address at number 34 Tiberos Street, Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Your time of duty is from 1900 to 700 hours. While rendering your security duty about 2130, I call from murmuring voice of unknown Muslim dialect person called your office informing the QA that you will publish within 30 minutes. During your conversation, you learn from the caller that he is a brain bomb expert, and you heard animal noises on the telephone that he planted at the bomb. So then this person who was previously terminated from the company for unknown reason. According to him, he is older than you. The bomb has two fuse, one cell phone 3310, motherboard with battery attached to it, one ammo of a 12-gauge shotgun and two spaghetti wire black and red. That he is holding the ignition to his head. And he placed the bomb inside. That he had 6 children at the age of 25 to 14. The caller cut off the line after 30 minutes of call. Being the duty of safeguard on the day, what will you do?